Here's your 1-year-old Windows 11 installation running on a real PC with 32 gigs of RAM. Just sitting idle, it's eating up 8.4 gigabytes. That's a lot for doing absolutely nothing. You want that number down to 4 gigabytes or less, but reinstalling Windows and losing all your files. Not an option. If that's exactly the spot you're in right now, stick around because this video was made for you. Welcome to HT, where we make real changes and show you real results. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Here's the good news. Whether it's RAM usage or disk usage giving you trouble, Velotic can fix both with a single click. And no, this won't break your PC. We're going to show you how to do this in Velotic first. Then later in the video, we'll walk you through setting it up on your own PC in case you need a hand with that. So here's what you do. Head over to the cleanup page and turn on AI Managed RAM Cleaning. That's it. Watch the RAM usage drop straight down to 4 gigabytes. While you're there, you can also turn on junk cleaning. It'll keep clearing out your temporary files and junk automatically every time they pile up. Now let's talk disk usage. My Windows is installed on an 830 gigabyte drive. Out of that, 717 gigabytes is used up, leaving just 112 gigabytes free. I want that number down, but here's the thing. I've got a ton of programs and files on there that I am not willing to delete. If you're stuck in the same spot, here's your fix. Compress your drive. It's simple. It can save you hundreds of gigabytes, and it won't touch a single file or break anything. Now you might be thinking, won't compression slow things down? Honestly, unless you're running a single core processor or something ancient like a Core 2 Duo, you won't feel any difference at all. So here's my advice, just try it. If something feels off afterward, you can decompress it just as easily. All you need to do is go to the compression page and select maximum compression. How long it takes depends on how much you've got stored. 20 or 30 gigs of files and you're done in a few minutes. I've got 700 gigs, so for me it took a couple of hours. But here's the best part. You can minimize Velotic and keep working while it compresses in the background, completely safe. And look at this. Once the compression finished, it saved 154 gigabytes of space. Disk usage dropped from 717 gigabytes all the way down to 562 gigabytes. Not a single file deleted. 154 gigs is huge. That's room to store a lot more without ever worrying about running out of space. All right, let's set up Velotic. You'll find the link to their official website right in the description. Once you're there, you'll see a quick preview of how the app works, along with a look at its key features. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the pricing. You've got two options. The basic lifetime plan gives you compression, the debloater, and more. But if you want AI RAM cleaning or the AI thermal booster, you'll need the yearly plan. Not sure which one you need? Start with the basic plan. You can always upgrade later. They support pretty much every payment method too. Stripe, PayPal, even crypto. Once you complete your purchase, you'll get an email with your product key and download link. And if you ever run into trouble downloading or using the app, just reach out to their support email or open a ticket on their website. Installing it is dead simple. Just keep clicking next. Once it's done, launch the app. It might ask to install a few dependencies if you don't already have WMIC on your system. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Once that's sorted, enter your product key and register. Pick a username, and if a friend gave you a referral code, drop that in too, and that's it. You're in the dashboard, ready to start debloating. Thanks for watching. We'll drop all the links down in the description. If this helped you out, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. This is the Harbor of Tech sailing off.